So, a very good morning to dear students. So, in this session, I would like to introduce to the freshers, especially to the online learning process, the concept of Google Classroom. How to use the Google Classroom efficiently in a mobile phone or in a computer from the scratch. How to install and how to log in, and the usage of Google Classroom efficiently so that you will never turn late for the assignment submission or getting the instructional materials. So I hope this will be quite useful for the new batch of students in the academic year 2020-2021 in various courses. So please go through the lecture fully to understand the use of Google Classroom. So all these instructions are directly compiled with the help of resources available in the Google support itself. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get benefited with the future videos also. Also, there are many more playlists created in various fundamental mechanical engineering subjects. You can also go through that. Sometimes it will be quite useful for you in your future studies if you are a fresher. So straight away we will move on to the session. How to use Google Classroom. So what is Google Classroom? So it is a platform provided by Google. Classroom is the name, just like Gmail, that is by Google. YouTube is by Google, right? Then documents, docs, forms, all these are provided by Google. So it is a platform provided by Google for educational institutions in general. So the purpose is to streamline the assignments. So suppose your teacher is asking you to submit the assignments. So you might be submitting it by through WhatsApp or email. So it is very difficult to sort it out or store it on a convenient common place. So Google is providing a common place for teachers as well as for the students so that they can access it for their lifetime. If they are logging in using the same email address. So it will boost the collaboration, it will foster the communication. You can recheck for the clarity or your gradings, correctness. All these things could be verified by each student in their respective accounts. So it is available on the web as well as by the mobile application. So you don't worry if you have only a mobile phone without a computer, you can use it, no issues. So these are some of the benefits to the students. You can track classwork and submit assignments on time, check originality, feedback as well as the grades. You have the platform to communicate to the teacher within the classroom itself, or you can email him or her. Then you can share the resources and interact. You can directly download the resources available in the classroom posted by the teacher. You can interact the class stream with the other students. You can raise your doubts. Clarification can be sought from the teacher. All this could be done in this platform. So for signing into the classroom, you must have a working internet connection as well as a Gmail account. With your personal Gmail account, you can sign in to the classroom. So in Android, signing in will be like this. You have to install the classroom application. For that, you must have a mobile phone with Android 4.4 or higher. Then from the Play Store, you can directly download the Classroom Google Classroom application. Okay, the Google Classroom application can be searched for in the Play Store and download. Then you need to, after installing, you have to tap the classroom icon. Then you will get a screen like this. Okay, Google Classroom get started. Click on get started and you have to add account. Okay, sign in with your personal Gmail account, type in your email ID and the password. Click on next. Then there will be a welcome message. Review it and accept it. Then review the terms of service and privacy policy and type I agree. There will be a button. Click on that button, tick on that button and agree the terms and conditions. That's all. You are prepared in your Android. Now in the case of computer, you have to go to classroom.google.com. classroom.google.com. You have to go to this URL and click go to classroom. You'll get a solution like this. You'll get a screen like this. If you click on classroom.google.com in your web browser, you will get a screen like this. Then go to classroom. Enter your email ID, password and welcome message, accept it. Directly you will be getting this screen. Get started. Fine. Finished the installation. You have successfully logged into the Google Classroom. You are ready to use the Google Classroom. Now joining in a class. Suppose your teacher has created a classroom and the teacher has sent you the class link or a class code or an email invite. Through any of these three ways, a teacher can give you an invitation link for joining in a particular class. For example, in a mathematics class or a chemistry or a physics or an English class or any other subject, he or she can share the link, a code or an email invite into your WhatsApp or email or SMS. So you just need to click on that link for joining in the class once you have successfully installed the application in your mobile phone or you have logged into the classroom using a mobile phone or a computer. Now how to join in the classroom for the first time in Android? Now that you have the Google Classroom application in your mobile phone, so tap the class link of the class which you wish to join for, that is obtained from your teacher. So click on that link. You will get a screen like this asking with a button join class. Okay, so make sure you have logged in using the appropriate account. If you have multiple accounts, you can change the account from here, from the three dots here. If you want to join the class with an additional, a different Gmail account, you can change it. You can add account. Now from the computer, you can directly click on the link, class link shared by the teacher and join. Click on the link join. Directly you have joined to that particular class. Now let us see what is there inside the Google Classroom. In the case of Android, you can see a screen like this. For all of your classes, you can quickly see upcoming assignments and announcements, whatever the teacher has posted there, and whether you have missed or being late for submission of an assignment. So this will be the default screen. So for that particular week, what are the different things to be done, works to be done? View to-do list. That will be the screen. There will be the title of your particular class, and this plus symbol is for submission, adding some attachment. In the case of computer, by default, if you have multiple classes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, as shown here, it will be like this. You have to go to classroom.google.com and sign into your account. Then once you already joined into the class, suppose you have three or four classes like this, so multiple classes will be shown in your default screen. Okay, these three lines will give you multiple options to see your to-do list for the next three assignments. By default, the next three assignments will be shown by default. Okay, So you can see here the classwork. There will be different tabs on the top. There will be different tabs on the top. So you can see the classwork here. So view your work. So in the chronological order, the works will be displayed, the latest to the oldest. So for different subjects, you can add that to the calendar, right? And the resources will be also there. You can download that resources from that particular post from the teacher. Okay, I think it is clear how to install, login, and get into the classroom. So as I mentioned, to see the attachments, you can see the assignment of a particular class, click the title of the work and view details. So there will be a clickable icon, view details. So if you click on that, you can directly download or see the attachment. Or you can filter your work, assigned, returned with grade if the teacher is already evaluated your assignment and returned to you. So that will be the returned with grade. Or if you have any missed any assignment, that is also will be there in the filters. You can use filter for seeing any particular type. Now in the upcoming session we will see how to turn in an assignment. Suppose your teacher has assigned a work to you, how to submit that. We will see what turn in and how to attend a test. All these things will be discussed in the upcoming classes. So thank you for watching. I hope it was quite helpful for you. So please keep watching, do subscribe, and have a good learning atmosphere in the Google Classroom. If you are new into this, please go through the video. If you have any doubts, please give your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.